Hi, this is Joe with AMB3R Creative. This week, we're going to focus on fill stitches. Fill stitches are bricks of stitches stacked to create a flat area of coverage. A fill stitch is usually called upon when an area of color or texture is needed. Fill stitches are basically offset repeat patterns shown here. To become more decorative, fill stitches can have small patterns within them. Cautiously, one would want to use fill stitches sparingly, as they do typically render a high stitch count. Here are some examples of a basic fill stitch used in machine embroidery. Fill stitches are bricks, as you can see here. The animation showing I'm switching between stitches and the penetration points. So you could see that there is an offset. I'm changing the patterns a little bit, going from like a 50% offset to 25%, maybe 30. There's a 50 right there, just straight up and down patterns, bricks laying right on top of each other. You can angle fill stitch as well. Not to be outdone, you can also give it a pattern. So I've got a lightning bolt happening here, got some various waves and tiles, looks like diamonds and stars, and looks like you can have a lot of fun with these fill stitches. Again, this is Joe with AMB3R Creative. Thank you for learning with me today. Fashion to the people.